Hey guys, it's Baby Blue and I'm out here fishing for bass. I've been tagged by the One-Eyed Patriot, a true patriot and supporter of our Constitution and Second Amendment, member of the NRA, and an all-around great American. So the requirement for being tagged is that I now have to tag 3 other people. So the first person I want to tag is my good friend from across the pond, Funky Prepper. He's got a great channel about the outdoors. He's always camping, videos on prepping and being prepared, and now he is a big star on Nat Geo's show Preppers UK. My next shout out goes to my girl, Krista Blade. She's over there showing off her knives, shooting her guns, and having a blast. Lastly, my good friend, Bill Gowdy. He's got a channel over there that's all about outdoor adventures, cooking outdoors, shooting. He loves fishing and loves his bush time with Bill. Make sure you stop by and check out all of these great channels and let them know that Baby Blue sent you. Thanks for stopping by today, and I hope to see you back real soon. Y'all be sweet now. Bye.